Guys, I hope you are still staying safe and healthy. I didn't want to send out the announcement over the weekend because you were working on lecture test 2. So I didn't want to distract you. So this week's announcement is a little bit late on Monday. Okay, for lecture, we're going to go over DNA structure and the replication. So when you open the folder in Unit 3, you can see everything here from Lumen quiz, study plan to PowerPoint slides and lecture recordings. Like I said before, that the chapters, all the rest of the chapters are going to get harder. So be sure to read textbook or watch videos to kind of help you understand the concepts, the process. And you don't have to watch my lecture recordings if you don't want to, but you should find some other videos to watch. If you don't do anything every week, your only goal is to just complete the assignment, but not actually learning anything, then it's not good, it's not useful. You definitely have to try to learn on your own and also participate on the online meetings where I kind of review everything so that you can make sure your understanding is correct. Alright, so that's it for our lecture. There's no teaching assignment for this week, so if you look at this folder, there's no assignment for teaching assignment, and that's no assignment link for teaching assignment, and that's because you have the second lab test this week. And I understand that you might want to focus on the lab test, and so there's no teaching assignment this week. Alright, that's it for the lecture. For the lab, we are doing mitosis. If you look at a week 10 folder for mitosis, and click on the eScience lab folder, this is what you see. There will be 3 items here. The first one is the eScience virtual lab. And once you look at the virtual lab, there are only a few slides, not too many, with the background information. And toward the end, assignments and procedures, you will see 3 virtual labs, 3 virtual activities. So exercise 1, 2, and 3. As you go through those exercises, you need to collect data. So you need to download this lab workbook and fill in these data collection tables. Okay? I have deleted all the pre-lab questions and most of the post-lab questions. I saved some questions, especially when they're about cancer, because I think that's a very interesting topic. And you do need to know the relationship between mitosis and cancer. Okay, when you open this lab work, you will see this is exercise 1, right? And in exercise 1, you are going to look at some pictures of onion tip cells. And then you can answer some questions, right? So you can see that there are only just a few questions left for each exercise. And then move on to next page. This is exercise 2. Okay? And then eventually you get to exercise 3 over here. So make sure you don't mix up with the 3 exercises. So that's for the lab workbook. And then when you're done with lab workbook, come here to do the quiz. It's very short. There are only 15 multiple choice questions. So last, let me remind you about the lab test again. So it's going to be open on Wednesday from 1 a.m. to the end of Thursday at 11:59 p.m. So again, Wednesday, Thursday. And on Tuesday and Wednesday, during the online class meetings, I will go over some of the important things for the lab test. Okay, so that's all. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you on Tuesday and Wednesdays.